Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We are here, back in Atlantic City, New Jersey, back at the Tropicana and the Havana Tower, 2 beds. We got a partial ocean view. If you guys see my last short when I was here at Tropicana at the old West Tower, that room was not that great. But they have renovated it to Solana Tower now. And those elevators still looks like there was a line for those. Anyways, back to Havana. Got this room comped, and I just pay resort fees. Security stuff, all good. Bathroom, it's pretty nice actually. Nice vanity size. We've been here, so pardon the mess. A little. Okay, wanna check this out? Hair dryer works, towels and all that good stuff. Toilet. Cooler. Not bad flush. Some artwork. Our door. This frosted glass. A little rust there, whatever. Not that big of a deal. Look at this. Is a pretty nice shower. Nice little sitting area. The ceiling is peeling right here though. Only thing to note, nice big shower head. Could be wiped down a little bit better, but whatever. Not that big a deal, but good shower. Test up the old pressure. Pressure, pretty good. Operating the quality in on Flamingo last night. I didn't get a full room tour of that video, but might see some kind of sort of quality in Flamingo anyways. Do another pan of bathroom. You'll see stuff like this. But, okay. Drawing room if you want that. Closet. Boom. Pretty cool. Safe, iron board, and all that good stuff. Nice size. What's up, guys? Okay. Nice wide hallway. Coffee maker. Free coffee. Wireless charger. Not sure why it's not by the bed, but it's there. Okay. Carpet. A little bit of staining. That's not great. But, it's fine. Whatever. Lamp, outlets, all that good stuff. TV. We have a mini fridge in there, which is clean. Little chair, pardon the mess. More stains on the carpet. AC system here. 2 queen beds here. Here's our view of Atlantic City. There is the ocean right there, and yeah. There's Borgata and Harrow's, and the Golden Nugget there. Yes. Okay. And yeah, not bad tower choice here at Tropicana. We get this comp. $78 for 2 nights, not a bad deal. I've been in the North Tower at Tropicana, was not a fan of that one either. So, yeah, if this video blows up, I will stay at the Chelsea Tower, which is considered the worst tower now here at Tropicana. So, you guys give me enough likes and some comments, or blow the video up, maybe I'll stay in the Chelsea Tower for y'all. So, yep. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. KW out.